Shout out to my consultation and Patreon members, Harley Romulus, Eddie Scott, James Children III, RPZ310,
Richie Mack, Travel OG,
Jeffrey Clark, Rodney, and Reginald Paul.
Let's get it.
Thank you for your support.
I just wanna zoom out to Thailand. Once my flight land, then I turn it into my land. I'm a Thai fan. Richie Mack, I'm arriving. Once I hit Pattaya, got bands, I'ma dive in. On the golf course, I'ma use my 9-9. She love chocolate, watch her walk it, cause she fine. She 5'1", in them heels like she 5'9". Hit subscribe, going live, 9999. Richie Mack, overseas, that's that travel OG. Pay a visit when you can. Wanna zoom to Thailand? Richie Mack, Travel OG. From the original BAZZ, Big Bass. Let's get it. I just wanna zoom up in Thailand. I just wanna zoom up in Thailand. I just wanna zoom up in Thailand. I just wanna zoom up in Thailand.
What up, Zoom Tribe? So I guess we have to address the elephant in the room. Of course, I wanted your feedback and wondered what you thought, just so I could show you how different the thinking is outside of the Matrix. Don't get me wrong, when it comes to emotions, women are pretty much the same no matter what part of the world you're in. However, the reaction can be completely different when you're dealing with a woman in Southeast Asia. They're not raised that way. Respect and saving face is almost part of their religion. But you guys was blazing up the chat room, so I decided to run it back with Elle and let Elle tell you out of her mouth what those faces were about. If she was really jealous or what it was. I took Elle out to lunch so we could get this settled once and for all. Leg up. Elle, let's clear this up, man. There's a lot of people, they really rock with you on Zoom this time. Elle, they think you mad at me. They like, Elle mad at you. Elle gonna beat you up. Oh, I see on Elle's face. I said, Elle had a headache.
I'm tired. I'm so hot. I'm headache.
Yeah, man. They don't understand because in the Matrix, lady get mad. Oh, you make her laugh. Oh, they get mad. But you did look mad though. You did. They was right about that.
I did not talk with you. I did not smile with you.
Well, you didn't smile and you didn't talk. That's why they thought you was mad.
I understand. Faith me not smile. You know. I understand you. You know, first time I sit here, I look tired. I very hot. You know?
Yeah. Well, they registered that as mad. They said Elle is mad at you. They was mad. They said I'm not supposed to make people laugh even though I'm a comedian. See, that's the thing about YouTube. But in fairness though, you did look mad. Let's keep it a buck. You did look mad. But let's ask right, were you mad, Noodle?
Why?
Okay. You sure? Now they're gonna say I put you up to it. They're gonna be like, you probably made her say that. Baby, the hate is real. First, let me say thanks for all the prayers and well wishes about my heart CT scan. Although there's a few issues, everything went better than expected. It basically comes down to what we all need to do at a certain age. Eat right, get your rest, and get plenty of exercise. You dig? Also, this is really important. When you get prescribed certain medications you need to take, don't play with that, especially if you're not eating healthy organic foods. In my opinion, the purpose of meds is to offset that bullshit you've been eating and putting into your body. The staff at Bangkok Hua Hin Hospital was excellent, and the nurse can get it. I don't have insurance out here yet. However, even with not having insurance, the same CT scan in Thailand cost me less than $500 US. That same CT scan in America will cost about $6,500 in the States. Who can afford a random doctor's visit like that? I can't. On top of that, Unlike the crowded hospitals at home, here you can basically just walk in, someone's there to greet you, check you in, and get right to business. My visit including checking in, taking my vitals, meeting with a heart specialist, telling me what my options were, and getting my CT scan all done in the same day. It took less than 2 hours. All right, y'all. About to get my heart checked. God is good. Pray the blessing. He even got the cool little robes, you know what I mean? It'll poke me up. We're gonna see what the results are, man. God is good. I'm getting a CT scan. We're gonna see what happens, man. Pray for your boy. You did? 2 days later, I got my results. They don't really allow you to film in the hospital, so I got what I could to show you guys how clean and how quickly you can get your medical treatment out here in Thailand. Next week, I'm going to Bangkok for a complete physical. You guys know I make a lot of jokes in my episodes and I'm always upbeat and happy, but make sure you take care of your health and check up under the hood. Even though you might look young for your age or feel good on the outside, you got to check what's going on the inside. You dig? Now let's get back to breakfast. All right, this is the Thai version of Roscoe's Chicken and Waffles. Got my banana pancakes here. Got my grilled chicken here. And got my noodle over there with some coconut water. You dig? Cheese omelet. Of course, Elle got Thai food as usual. It'll say, haters gon' hate.
Hey, honey, I don't know.
Try it again. Say, haters.
Hater.
Gon' hate. Gon' hate.
Hate.
Yeah. It don't,
I know.
it don't really come across the same when you say it. But just know, haters gon' hate, you dig? Shout out to my new subscribers of Zoom to Thailand. Make sure to check out the other episodes, like the one I did with Reggie Bruhman Ballard from Martin.
Yo, what's up? It's Bruhman from the 5th floor.
Bruhman, it's 3 in the morning, man. What are you doing here?
Chilling with my man Richie Mack. Yo, Rich, do they got some sushi sandwiches in Thailand?
I'm the Travel OG. You buy low now? Buy means she's leaving. Where you going with the big old leg?
She's keen.
Oh, you're gonna get your teeth clean. Okay. All right, you sure you're not mad at me? Because people think you're so disrespectful. You okay, Noodle?
Yeah, I'm okay.
You sure?
Yes, sir.
All right. You know what to tell them. Tell them theme music.
Theme music.
Zoom to Thailand, hope you coming too. Richie Mack, travel OG with celebrity interviews. Get your passport, let's go. This is what you need for show. Brothers in Thailand and bikini babes at the beach. If you need more, he got it poppin'. Caddy of the day, we golfing. Really ain't a better option. Time to travel, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's connect. Richie Mack, yeah, we steady vibing. Take a journey, let's get moving, cause we zooming right to Thailand. Hey, Richie Mack, travel OG, let's go.
Make sure to like, subscribe, and notify. The algorithm is real.